Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I have a beginner friendly lace install, and it's beginner friendly because I'm a beginner, so we gonna try to get this thing together. Like, I know I'm not the best at laying down my wigs, but I could do a little something. But anyway, it's gonna be a beginner friendly video, and it's also gonna be a slight miniature review on this hair that I have in my head. So if you wanna know how I lay down my wigs and as well my initial thoughts on this hair, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so let's move forward with the video. So I want to actually start off with talking about the inches that I received and the amount for everything. So like I said, this hair is from Allove. I got it in loose deep wave. I got a 28, a 28, a 20 inch, and a 24 inch. And then since Allove hair doesn't have 6x6 closure of the loose deep wave, I got my 6x6 lace closure from Sealy. Same wave pattern, and I got that in 18 inches. So my lace closure was $66, or $66.67, and then for all the bundles of 28, 28, 20, and 24 inch, I paid $165. So not bad at all for what I received. Okay, so this is the wig. I did make this unit myself, and I did bleach the knots. Well, can't really see since it's all the way back here, but I did bleach the knots and made the wig myself. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on.
Oh my God!
Woo, baby, move my handle, honey. Don't want no problems. Okay. So my wig is on. I'm gonna slide this back. I do not have a wig cap on because I don't have any that are clean and they all roll up, and I haven't been to the beauty supply store to go get one. So, but honestly, I mean, I try to stay away from putting stuff on my edges anyway, so it's okay. And if it does get on my edges, I mean, I do use things that aren't horrible for my hair. So the spray that I like to use in order for my wig to stick is the olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. I will say I do want to try the bedhead spray, but I have not been to the store. But I do use this. I do like this better than Got To Be. I don't even use my Got To Be spray for anything anymore. I just go to this. So what I like to do is I scoop my wig back and I just spray the perimeter. Like I said, I do have a 6x6 closure in, so it's really just from here to here, because I don't like 13x4s. I don't care to have all this glued down. So what I like to do is just spray. Let me scoot this back a little bit more. Then I don't even wait long, and I don't use a blow dryer. I ain't got time for all that. I literally just go ahead and slide my wig up as far as I want it. So this is normally where it is. And I just take like anything with a rat tail and I press it down. Okay, so honestly, as you can see, this is pretty on snug. Like, it doesn't take any time for this to dry, and I do like using that spray because it works good in my opinion. So to do my baby hairs, and I'm making this face because I actually really hate doing baby hairs, but I feel like baby hairs make curly units. But all those people who be like,
I love doing baby hairs, it's my favorite part,
I'll be like, I hate doing them. Honestly, the reason why I hate doing them is because I feel like I don't really know how to do them correctly. So that's why I don't like them. I use the one by Motions. I've had it for a while, so I don't feel the need to like buy another one. So I put some on the back of my hand and I just try to form my baby hairs that I already have laid out, and kind of swoop them out again. Okay, and then once I somewhat have baby hairs, I do go in with the Got2b glue. I still use this to lay down my baby hairs if I do have them.
Oh, he needs some milk.
Okay, and so once I have decent looking baby hairs, and I'm putting myself out there before y'all put me out there, because I'm just saying, I know I'm not the best at doing baby hairs, but once I have like okay looking baby hairs and like decent baby hairs, I take my hot comb. This one, I don't know who it's by. I actually took it from my mom, and we've had this for so long. Like, this is what she used to use. Oh, it's on here. It's by Golden High. But it's so old, it's low-key kind of cracked, but this is what my mom used to use on me when I was like a kid, and she would flat iron my hair for me. Like, this is like old. But what I like to do, actually, let me go in with my phone. So let me talk about this hair real quick. Since I just made this wig, this is a fresh unit, but I do like this hair. I am gonna do more check-ins with you guys. My only con is the ends. The ends are super thin, so I don't know. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to really tell with me like sitting down, but the ends are super thin, and that's what I don't like. But besides that, there's like no tangling, and this wave pattern is so pretty. So I did want y'all to see the wave. Like, the reason why I wanted to go ahead and show y'all, not only show y'all how a beginner friendly tutorial on how to put your wig on, but I also want y'all to see the hair dried. So now that y'all seen the hair dried, I am gonna go in and make it wet. I do have a spray bottle right here. I don't want my blinds to get wet, so I'm gonna turn this way and do it. My camera died when I was trying to spray my hair, but all I did was spray it. Y'all weren't missing nothing. I just went ahead and did it off camera. So this is the hair. It's not drenched, but it definitely is wet. It's a little bit more than damp. Y'all, I love this wave pattern. Like, it's so cute. Like, it's so freaking cute. Y'all could leave, like, just go ahead and leave it like this, but I don't wanna. I'm gonna go back in with my mousse, my foam lotion, whatever you call it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run it through the hair. So now I'm gonna go in with some oil. This is by Garnier Fructis. And then just to finish it off, I do like to go in with my hairspray from Chi. And this is how I do my hair, you guys. My curly hair routine, beginner friendly on how to put on a wig. I know it's not professional, but I'll make it work, okay? And sometimes I just go back in and just press it out a little bit more. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is what I do. So I do like this hair. Like I said, I am gonna come back and do maybe like a 3 month, maybe a 1 month review, just to see if I actually recommend this hair. But I am liking this hair so far. I love this wave pattern, and it does not tangle. I haven't had shedding. Like I said, so far the only con that I have is the fact that the ends are, yeah, the ends is like, I obviously need to cut them, but I ordered a 28 inch for a reason. I wanted it to be 28 inches. I wanted it to be long, but it's still long. I cut it a little bit already, but I need to cut it some more. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the end of it. If you're still watching, go ahead and like that button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.